So guys, what do you think? Masarap ba?
Yeah.
Masarap, masarap, masarap. So yung mga silog-silog nila dito, nasa 100 pesos lang naman yung price. Except for
Tapsilog and bangus.
yung tapsilog how much?
130.
130. Yung bangus na hindi naman tayo nag-order,
120.
120. FYI lang. Hindi namin na-try yung bangus. But sa akin, trinay ko yung tocino. Okay lang. Medyo matamis. But, I mean, okay na for 100. Yung sa'yo?
Tapsilog.
Tapsilog. Hindi masarap yung tapsilog. Oh, ubos na ubos. Tapos yung longganisa.
Pinakamasarap yung longganisa.
Ako din, I agree. Tinikman ko rin yung longganisa. Masarap. Vegan longganisa. Ikaw, how do you find your tapsilog?
Yeah.
Na-try mo yung longganisa? No. You should have tried it. But anyway, yeah. Okay naman dito. So, kapag napunta kayo ng La Union, make sure to drop by Silong. Masarap dito mag-breakfast. Well, for our case, ginawa naming brunch para hindi kasi kami malakasan kumain. So, okay. And then, stay tuned. We're gonna publish more vlogs. We're going to a coffee shop kasi hindi pa kami nagko-coffee. Gusto namin ng matinong kape. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.